Clients usually ask this question: how do I implement these processes on a digital shop floor? How do I use the innovation and technology and apply them to my existing work streams? Because that essentially is the real problem. And that's what we are trying to solve here. Here we have a series of steps where right from the point of creation and purchase of an order, and you deliver it end to end, how do you execute it from the creation of a sales order to a production order and execute them on an assembly line? So as you can clearly see, once you have procured the fuse boxes here, it would go through a series of steps on this assembly line, and a lot of these steps have already been automated, and here in this case we are using SAP Manufacturing Execution Systems and SAP Leonardo suite of services, and we have connected it to the Accenture suite of offerings. Now, of course, all the steps could be automated, but in an ideal world, in a real world, there would be some tasks which would always need to be executed, and that's where manually we need to bring a connected industrial worker. And as part of a connected industrial worker, we could overlay instructions which could be interpreted on a smart device, on a connected glass. So in effect, you could be doing these instructions step by step, but you would always have at the corner of your eye digital instructions, augmented reality, which allow you to complete your tasks in an efficient and time-bound way. And even after all that, you're not sure what to do, you always have over-the-shoulder coaching, an expert sitting in the back office telling you, verifying you, taking control of your device, telling you how to do it to make sure you do it correct first time, each time.